Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshay Education, and in this video we are going to learn some cool big multiplications in a very cool, very quick and faster way by using Trachtenberg method. Before we do such big questions in a cool way, it's very important to understand the system. How does it work? So we're doing two questions of 2 by 2 multiplication. Once you get the understanding very clear, now I'll be doing one 3 by 2 question. Once you understand that as well, and then we are going to do this question very quickly, and you will realize how efficient this method is. So watch this entire video to master this technique, guys. So start with a simple question like 23 times 14. We'll go slow. We'll try to understand every step properly. So the first thing is, I'm multiplying 23 by 2-digit number. 14 is a 2-digit number. Because it is 2-digit number, I'll be just putting 2 extra zeros in the front. And then how does it work is, then we write down all the answers just in one line only. And I'll be just showing you how the process works. So very first step is, you just take the last digit and last digit. So 3 4s are 12. So you just write down 2, and the 1 is a carry. In this method, carry we write down as a dot. So I'm going to put on 1 dot because 12. So 2 and 1 carry. Again, I'm repeating, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry which I'm writing as a dot. Now I'm taking this arch off. Now what we are going to do is, we'll be doing just outside pair, inside pair. So now we'll be just making this inside pair and we'll be making this outside pair. Now every calculation actually you can do in mind, which is so easy. You can multiply them like 3 1s are 3. Keep down that in your mind. 2 4s are 8. Keep that in your mind, and you can add like 3 plus 8. I'm just doing it here so you can see. But once you know that method, everything you can keep in your mind and do it mentally, guys. So 3 1s are 3, which is just, I'm writing it down so you can see in the starting. 2 4s are 8, and then after you can see like there's 1 dot there, which is a carry, which you got to add up as well. So 3 plus 8, 11 plus 1, 12. So because it's 12, you're going to write down 2 here, and then 1 goes as a carry. And in this method, carry, I'm representing by a dot. Is that good, guys? Yeah, nice and cool so far. Now, my arch will be moving 1 step forward. So I'm just taking this off quickly, and I'll be making my next arch. So we can see like inside will go here, and this will go here. So before it was there and there, you're just moving 1 step ahead, and the same process. You can definitely do that mentally. 2 1s are 2. Keep that in your mind. 4 times 0 is 0. That's just 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. I'm just writing down here, you can see. So 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 0 is 0. And this is 1, which you can add it. That's going to be 3. And that 3 you can write down here. And then there's no carry. If there's no carry, we don't need to worry about the last 0. Sometimes we use it, sometimes we don't. And actually 322 is my answer. Actually here I'm showing you all the steps so you can have understanding, but then after you can do every part mentally. In this next question, guys, we will try to do everything in our mind other than following all the steps. I'll go slowly so you can also process them in your mind. So let's start doing together, guys. 38 times 14. Because there are 2 numbers here, I'll be putting down 2 extra 0 here. Then because we are doing the multiplication only in one line, so I'll just make one line. And as you know, my first thing is going to be this time this. 8 4s are 32. So I can just put down 2 here, and 3 is a carry, which you put down as a dot in this method. And then after, I'll just take this arch off, and we'll be just going 1 step forward, inside, outside. So that is going to be inside, that is going to be outside. Now everything we'll do in our mind. So we can do like 3 4s are 12. 8 times 1 is 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 3 carry, 23. So I can just put down 3 here and 2 carry. Now the arc will just move one step forward, which also you can start seeing in your mind, guys. So basically that will just go here, so just go here. So I can see like 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 0 is 0. So it's just 3 and 3 plus 2 carry, which is 5. There's no k, so I don't need to worry about this. So 532 is my answer. So now we'll do this also in the same way, but here we can see like we will need this extra 0 as well. So because I'm multiplying with this 2-digit 34, so I'll be putting 2 extra 0 right here. And now, as you know the process, guys, we'll be doing in the starting 6 times 4, which is 24, 4 here and 2 extra dot here. And then we can move over arc very, very quickly. My inside arc, my outside arc. So this is going to be 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 24 plus 18. In 24, I can add 20, which will be 44, but it's 18, so 2 less. So that is going to be 42. If you've got a bit of a trouble, you can work it out here. 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 18, 24 plus 20 is going to be 44, 2 less, so that's going to be 42. But then I do have 2 extra carry here, which I go to plus as well, which will give me 44. So I'll just put down 4 here and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots as a carry. Now, we'll be just moving one step forward, guys. So now our next step is going to be inside, which is this, outside, which is this. So 6 3s are 18. 4 times 0 is 4. This is just the 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So I can put down 2 here, 2 as a carry. Now the last step is going to be, I'm just moving my arch one step here. I can see that's going to be this. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So I'm just left with 2. So that's what I can put down just here. I can also put down that directly here as well. So this is 2244 is my answer. Now, guys, we are getting a bit more confidence. So I'm going to do 312 times 14 for you with the same things, and you'll see like I'm not going to make an arch as well. You'll try to visualize that bit more in mind, guys. But they are just 2 numbers. Let us put down 2 zeros here, and then just I'm going to make a line, and then as you do know, 2 times 4, 2 4s are 8, so I'll just put down 8, and there is no carry. Now 2 digits, so inside 2 times 1 and 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, so I can put down 6. Then we'll be moving one step forward, and 1 times 1, 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 here and 1 dot. Then again, the same way, we'll be moving one step forward. So 1 times 3 and 4 times 0. 1 times 3 is 3. This is 0. So just 3. 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. And this is my answer, guys. Now, friends, you are ready for this big multiplication by using this method. So very first step, I'm multiplying by 2-digit number. So I'll be just putting 2 extra zeros right here. I'll be just making one line here. And as you do know, I'll be just making my one arch here. Then we will keep on moving that arch, guys. Yeah. So you can see now we'll go a little bit faster, a little bit clear, and everything in our mind. So 2 times 4 is 8, just here. Now 3 4s are 12. 2 times 0 is 0. So that's 12. So 2 here and 1 carry. Now 3 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 here. Now 3 times 3 is 9. And 2 times 1 is 2. 9 plus 2, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry. Now 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 here, 1 carry. Now 3 4s are 12. 2s are 4. 12 plus 4 is going to be 16, and 16 plus 1 is 17, and 1 carry. Now 3 2s are 6. 2 times 0 is 0. So that's just 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. And this is our final answer, guys.